It's the Big Sam Studio. Alright, welcome back to the studio. Today we're making a new beat, a new jam with the Midi piano Garageband MacBook. Let's get to it. Here we go, baby. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do to start this beat is just lay down a few nice chords here on the piano. Alright, now let's build up this sound, add some bass sounds in. On the downbeat, I'm going to add a bass, and on the offbeat, add a hi-hat or like a ch-ch-ch type sound. Okay. Still can add some more for sure. Alright, now I'm going to add a solo in with a instrument called an eru, a Chinese instrument. Not sure what it is, but it sounds dope. Alrighty, so that's all I got for this one. Just a funky little beat that we might use for a future video or something like that. Came out pretty awesome, pretty much all improv on some jazz chords. There's a giveaway going on in the last video if you want to check that out. Thanks so much for stopping in, and I'll see you guys next time in the Big Sam Studio.